Good morning, dear friends. Today I am going to discuss a short topic hemorrhage. This is important for students of medical sciences as well as paramedical sciences and for general use or general life. What is hemorrhage? Hemorrhage is the loss of blood from blood vessels. The blood loss is described as extravasated or outside the vessel. It may lie on the surface of the body, on patient's clothing or on the floor. Blood may be lost from all three types of vessels. Blood may be lost from all three types of vessels: the arteries, the veins, the capillary. Meaning, the term, what is meaning of the hemorrhage? The term hemorrhage comes from Greek word hemia means blood and regnumai to break forth. A free and forceful escape of blood is called hemorrhage. Types of hemorrhage: capillary, venous and arterial. Capillary hemorrhage, bleeding oozes steadily but slowly. Venous, flow steadily under less pressure. And arterial, bleeding spurt with each beat. Difficult to control due to pressure. Most serious type, as large amount of blood may be lost in short time. So, arterial hemorrhage is acute emergency to maintain or manage the bleeding. The escape of blood from the vessels is called hemorrhage. Management, it is divided into three parts. Number one is prophylaxis. Strict asepsis measures during operation. Never operate on the unhealthy skin. Post-operative antibiotic in infected cases is required. General management, treatment of shock, at emergency ATS or AGS if required, control of infection. Vitamin C should be given in heavy dosage with other vitamins, especially vitamin A and vitamin B complex. Local management, absolute rest to the thumb, absolute rest to the limb, and the limb is kept elevated. On a spot, head low, pressure bandaging of the wound. If bleeding continue, the wound is opened up at the operation theatre and clots carefully removed. In uncontrolled cases, proximal ligature of the main vessels of the limb has to be done. In homeopathic medicine, Carbovage, Hamamelis, China, Arnica, Ipecac, phosphorus. Biochemical medicine, Ferrum phos, Kali phos, Netramur, Calcarea phos. So, this is a short description of hemorrhage, because in our daily life we see also in our family or in society, hemorrhage is a commonly phenomena in the form of dental hemorrhage or rub hemorrhage or friction, or when we prepare any dishes or food in kitchen. So, minor cut injury occurs in every part of life or work, in also in agriculture field or in other occupation. So, first we identify the type of hemorrhage, and according to nature we apply or use management for prevent the serious conditions or complications arises due to hemorrhage is to be maintained. So I think this topic is useful for medical students, paramedical workers as well as general person to prevent the different type of hemorrhage and manage the complications. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.